G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. White, as you can see, is a reflection of the lights. There's a few pieces in there that haven't got much, but I'd rather give them to somebody than throw them away. A little bit of brown will cut off there, I think. Make a little stone. Opal's going back that way. How far? Hard to say, but probably that might be it. It's a bit more interesting. Seams through there. End up with a boat-shaped piece, long, skinny stone, I think. Again, looks like a bit of matrix through there, perhaps. Very fine seam there. Something like that, basically just throwing in, as is this bit. You can see the opal line, but it's so thin, whether you'd end up with anything much, I don't know. Anyway, there's a couple of pieces there that might be of interest. The rest are basically curios. I hope you've enjoyed.